ByteDance, the company that owns TikTok, has launched a music streaming service called Resso. Resso, unlike other apps such as Spotify and Apple Music, has a community built right into it, meaning users can like and comment on a song. But the main USP of the app is that you can create short music videos called Vibe in under 10 seconds. Feature is quite easy to use and is interesting, where you can take a snippet of a song that you really connect with, and with a few simple taps you can actually create a quick video without knowing much of video editing or any other skills. In this video, let me quickly show you how to make a vibe. So for instance, take this one particular song, Sing Me to Sleep by Alan Walker. So I want to create a vibe right in this app. So I'm going to tap on this vibe section, click on add vibe, and as you can see a lot of templates or videos which you can use right into the song. And I'm going to pick this one particular thing and I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, you can set the amount of time you want the vibe for and click on select. Here you can share your feelings, which you can say it's a great song, okay, and click on send. So once this is done, you can find this vibe right in your profile. As you can see, it's uploaded here.